In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for the CITI Simplicity Credit Card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to citi.com. From here, it should look something like this inside of the Citibank dashboard. Here you'll need to go up to the credit card section and see Explore Credit Cards. From here, you'll need to scroll down until you see View All Credit Cards right here. And once you click on that, you'll need to scroll down until you see the Simplicity Credit Card, like so. And as you can see here, it should be right here. Then from here, you'll need to click on it and then click Apply Now. Then a new application page will pop up. And here you can see if you're already a CITI customer, you can sign on right here and then all of this information will be pre-applied. But if you don't have an account, you'll simply need to follow these steps. You'll first need to enter your first name, middle name, last name, and suffix if you have that, email address so Citibank can contact you whether or not you have been accepted into the credit card, social security number or ITIN number, and of course a date of birth. From here, you'll also be asked whether or not you are a US citizen, and if you click no, you'll be asked what citizen that you are in. From here, you'll need to enter your address and phone number, and you'll simply need to enter your street address, apartment, zip code, city, and lastly state. You can also click here if you have a PO box and then write in your PO box information right here. You can also enter your mobile phone number so CITI can contact you whether or not you have been approved for the credit card. You can also click here if you have a home phone number, but from here you'll need to click your financial information. And here you'll need to enter your annual income and monthly mortgage or rent payment. If you have non-taxable income in the US, you'll need to click here and click Apply the non-taxable annual income right here. From here, you'll need to go down to Authorized Users, and with CITI, you can authorize up to 2 people to also get this credit card with the same bank account. From here, you'll also see the security code, and here you'll just need to choose one for here, and then enter the security code right here. This is used to when you are calling CITI, then they will ask for your security word, and then you'll just tell them and you'll get through to them. From here, you'll also see the terms and conditions, and here you can read about the Simplicity credit card. And I highly advise you to read all of this or potentially also print it out so you have it in a written form. From here, you'll also need to check off these one by agree to the terms and conditions for the specific credit card and Citibank's terms and conditions. From here, you'll need to click agree and submit. From here, you'll get a mail from Citibank where they'll say that they have received your application, and they'll go a couple of bank days before you'll get information about whether or not you have been approved for this specific credit card. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!